Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So, are you trying to get with the times? Are you trying to market like a network marketer in this digital world that we have now? We saw last year that a lot of things changed and we have to adapt to certain situations. A lot of business has been digital, a lot of business happening online. A lot of people start using Zooms and a lot of digital marketing tactics and strategies to keep up with the times and stay ahead and not go under because we all know that a lot of companies who don't pivot and go with the time end up failing and closing and going out of business. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys how to create a digital business card, or you even call it a virtual business card, for free. Now here you go. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. There's a platform that I'm using called Nowsite, and you actually can sign up for free. They're allowing me to basically get people out there. This is a beta, so it's limited access. This is not live. Not everyone can use this platform yet. You have to pay to use this platform. But this part right here, this free sign up, you're able to do this. I'll show you how to get that and get going with that and where to start that process. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, how this works. And as you can see, I'm on this sign for free page. This is an invite only beta. The official launch happens in November 2021. So if you're watching this, hey, hopefully it's not too late for you. If it's not, great. See you on the next slide. So I've already entered some information in. This is fake information, so I'm going to go ahead and opt into it. I would recommend clicking on to receive the latest offers and discount codes, because if you want to be using it, they do have other features and services that you can use, but the sign up for this is free and you get a free digital business card. You get one. So that's what's awesome, amongst other things too, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm going to hit sign up. Your account's being created. I'm going to be doing all this in real time as much as possible. From there, we're going, boom, invite only, beta tester, target prospects. So the reason why they have the target prospects is because they actually give you target prospects. If you are in business, you're looking for clients, you're looking for leads, prospects. Leads are, we don't like to use that word now because a lot of people, well, we do you like to use that word, but it's a prospect. People think leads is a guaranteed sale. That's not guaranteed sale. Prospects, people who are interested in your business, who are interested in your products. This is great to show, hey, these are people I'm looking for. So what we're going to do is go here. This is coming soon. It's not launched yet. So to begin receiving prospects, set your target criteria. Hey, how do you want to preferred contact method? Email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, phone. I like phone. Location, North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Europe French, Europe Germany, Africa. I'm pretty sure that we added more too, but yes, I'm in North America. Interests, your interests, pretty simple, right? Health and wellness, beauty and cosmetics, fitness and weight loss, legal and insurance, investment and financial products, real estate, online marketing, network marketing, small business. We're going to do online marketing. Actually, I want to do network marketing. Boom. Oops. Network marketing. Submit. Thank you. Your preference has now been saved. Stay tuned for the launch of target prospects. Now, you got this short video. You can watch all this. I don't know. Let me see. So I'm not going to go any further because it's low and it is what it is. But just for time's sake, I'm going to show you guys what everything is. This is just a video. You can watch it on your own time if you are lucky to get one of these invites and take advantage of it. This is a limited time, so first come, first serve. I mean, honestly, guys, when you see this video, don't waste. It's free. They don't ask for no credit cards, anything, unless you want to buy something later on. This is amazing. So what we're going to do is, okay, awesome. So you have this, networking and marketing, networking, prospect tracking, analytics, teams. We're here to learn how to do the digital business card. We're going to go to marketing. This is a get started. So this is pretty cool. What you can do is just go here, open this up. Let's see if this works. Yes. Excellent. That's your digital business card right there. We're going to go back and look at it. So we're going to hit edit. Look at that. Very simple. Now I want to edit this. You over here, you change your image if you want to by click on that. Your name, your title, your bio, phone number, email, all your information, your social media platforms that you want to add on there, websites, digital business card. And if you want to see what it looks like, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. You see how it highlights over it and it hovers and see it highlights text, email, calls. You can add people, you can send it to people, and it will click on this, add to their contacts for their phones, websites. So there's no more losing the card. There's no more, unless they just don't save it, there's no more losing the card. Very simple. Websites, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. You can actually have them send you information, capture leads, so that you can actually have a lead capturing page, so they can actually put their name and their email, so you can get their information as well. Pretty great, pretty simple, and yes, this is free. My favorite word, everyone's favorite word, free, free, free. So guys, this is huge. This is great. So if you're looking for a digital business card, or if you want to call it a virtual business card, this is where you can get it. You can do so many things with it. You can change it. You can make it your own, put your own color on it. There are so many, you can literally make this so different. Let's see if I can actually do this still. Like, you can customize everything. So this is pretty cool. I like it. You can, if I want to, I can remove this if I want to. Like, boom, I don't want that. So yeah, you can make your digital business card a capture page, a lead capture page, prospect capture page. So this is what I'm saying, guys. There are so many things that you can do with this. I can easily go to here, like, hey, click on my website and let me know if you see something that you like, and then enter your information below, and we can go from there. It's amazing. There's so much more that this will be doing too. It's new, so you have to understand. I don't want to overwhelm you guys, but this is pretty great. This is how you get your free digital business card, and you can send it out as much as you want, and it's yours, and it's free. That's the best thing. What do you have to lose? Nothing. It's free. Not once in this process did you see them ask for a credit card, right? Excellent. So you're getting a free digital business card for nothing, and you don't have to have any kind of graphic skills or graphic design skills. Boom, it's all there for you, and it's simple. So if you have any questions or concerns about this, please let me know. My info's in the description below. My number, my direct number. Also, if you want to get going, there is a link that's pinned in the comments. Go ahead and click that link. Or if you want more information, go ahead and contact me. Either call me or email to text me, and I'll answer those as soon as I can. And I'm pretty efficient and fast on answering those. But yeah, if you just want to get going and opt in to get your free account, I only have 50 to give. But for the beta, if you want your free digital business card and your free Nowsite account to be able to sign up for free, go ahead and click the link below, put your information in there, and we'll get you going. Click the link and sign up and all that stuff like that. And you'll get going, and you'll go through the same process that you just saw right here. So with that, guys, if you haven't already, and if you got some value from this one, hopefully you got some value from this video, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Hit all. And anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one? You got something free from this last one. You might like this one too. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.